So right now we're just heading to our second car meet, so the Exist Film and Karma Krew car meet number 2, and this one's going to be a banger. So thanks everyone for coming, thanks everyone for bringing out your rides, and enjoy the meet. Well, you've already been now, but by the time you're watching this, but enjoy the cinematic. We've got the car looking really shiny at the moment. Jeremy's here and we are about to head off. It's about an hour drive, so
we get a feed first.
Get a feed. I got to stop at the petrol station anyways to fill this thing up because it's like in reserve.
Oh, you got this car? You stole it off your girlfriend?
I stole it back off my girlfriend for a day. Yep. Yo, what's up? Yo.
What's up, boy?
Yo.
What's up, man? It's Jeremy. So, Lux is in the house. The actual professional photographers, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. What's that on top?
It's a new mic, yeah.
Nice.
Yep, wireless. Got a few cars pulling in, a Rally Art, Triple S, nice Beamer. Lux Media doing his thing. Their thing, sorry.
Yeah,
their thing. You pulled up in a nice car. Where's the Integra at?
It is a shell.
Yeah, my other BMW's in the shop too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, this is your sign, Jeremy. It's your sign to buy an Audi S3. What do you think?
If I could afford one of those, I don't think I would have bought my car in the first place.
I mean, you could have put a down payment on an Audi S3 for the same price you spent on yours. So we're doing a. We'll tend to walk up to you. And as you can see, it's got a turbo V8 twin turbo bi-charged supercharger underneath the hood.
Trash.
Yeah. How much oil are you leaking?
Oh, fucking too much, bro.
Yeah, okay, fair. I mean, what did you expect with a twin turbocharged, supercharged bi-turbo shitbox?
It's okay to have a soccer mum car.
It is, yeah. No, it is.
Yeah,
it's reliable.
That's right. That's right.
Dude lugs around like a 10 kilogram setup.
I go to gym, I'll just pick up a dumbbell. I don't curl it, I just stand there for an hour holding a dumbbell.
Yeah, fuck that.
Gotta practice for shooting, yeah.
Dance when we hop in the pants while I'm talking. I got niggas at the clear, nigga chat with the chat walking. I know hitters at the end, nigga block with the ops walking. Now there's a ride in the way, gotta thank God, amen. Try to front me on my game, nigga, no we not there. Can't turn the back of my game, yeah I got them. Add out in my clip, summer shine. 7 niggas in my clip, boys got them. Diamonds on me, dancing, yeah, in front of them.
We gotta know what's under the hood.
What's under the hood?
Does it even open?
No, it doesn't open.
300 kilowatts, right?
It does open. Why doesn't it open? What did you do?
What happened, Mr. Drifter? Surely it's Rogan, or?
Oh, it should be, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, the sex fella. His tint's so dark. Hey, I thought it was you.
How you doing, bro? I haven't seen you in ages.
Yeah. Hey.
What's up, Ken?
What's up, bro?
You gotta excuse us for coming late in the slow cars.
Nah, it's alright. Louis 86 is looking clean. Oh, the garbage truck. That garbage truck is stealing the show, literally.
You know that's gonna be in the shot, right?
Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, look at this. That's probably the most expensive car here. This beauty is just parked at the back. Look at this thing.
Yeah, she a lie now. Pretty fucking bitches on my mind now. She's sweet, kinda very